So here we have a 1970s mid-terraced cavity wall. Has it been filled? Let's check. Yep, there's a drill hole there. See if we can find a pattern. And there underneath the windows. Okay. Quantum storage heaters, high heat retention. And at the back, get a shot of the rear elevation. And see if there's more cavity wall drill holes. Try to find a pattern. There you go, there's one there. Another one there. And another one there. I check the wall thickness. That's about 280 mil with cavity wall insulation. Dimplex Quantum QM125 with high heat retention controls. Dual supply, peak and off peak. Glazing. Can't seem to see a date stamp. Let's check on the reveals. No. Draft proof strip. Low energy light bulb. This one's an LED. Another Quantum QM125 in the lounge. Dual supply. Warm air system, redundant now. But I'll have a look in the cupboard to make sure it's not there. Nothing under the stairs. So this one is a QM100 in the hallway. Then the electric meter, prepayment meter. If we press the blue button here, we'll see if there's a rate 2, rate 1. This looks like this meter is only a single rate supply. A single rate of supply will affect the score and also the running costs for the resident. I've left recommendations to switch to an economy 7 meter. More air vents from the redundant warm air system, which I believe used to be here. A bathroom XS6 storage heater, which has been discontinued, and it's the only IP rated storage heater that can go in a bathroom. And there's another one in the hallway, landing. Okay, bedroom 2, QM100. Toilet, LED lighting, compact fluorescent lighting in the separate bathroom, bath with electric shower, bedroom 1 or 2, Dimplex Quantum 100 with high heat retention storage heater controls. Another low energy light bulb, air vents from the redundant warm air heating system. Bedroom 3, well, it's a bit small for a bedroom, but there we go. And then the hot water storage tank. Dual immersion, spray foam insulation. $50mm spray foam insulation. And as you can see, both switches are on, which is the incorrect way to use them. So you want the peak one off and the off-peak one on. But because this house only has a single rate electric meter, I'll leave them a note. Now for the loft. Oh, in the third bedroom, there's no fixed heating in here. Okay, the party wall has blocks, probably cavity. Light switch. Yeah. Quite thick insulation. So here are my EPC photographs for the audit purposes. Front elevation, cavity wall drill holes, showing a pattern on the cavity walls. Rear elevation, more cavity wall drill holes at the back. There's the wall thickness. Quantum hot water tank with 50mm spray foam insulation, dual immersion. Another quantum. That's a 100. That's a 125. LED light bulb. XLS6 in the bathroom. XLS6 in the landing, a bath, Quantum 100 in bedroom 1, Quantum 100 in bedroom 2, party wall, loft insulation, measuring the loft insulation, and then the floor plan with the metre squared, heat loss perimeter, ceiling heights and party wall. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.